Hello, and welcome to the sixth lecture of this course, which isn't technically a lecture by any means. Here are 3 funny facts about NordVPN. Without further ado, let's begin. Number 1. Secret Agent Servers. NordVPN has a selection of servers that are humorously named after famous spy-related terms. Some examples include Dr. No Logs, Blackbeard, and Agent Peacock. The second one, secure server count. NordVPN occasionally showcases its commitment to security in a humorous way. Instead of simply stating the number of servers they have, they sometimes mention amusing facts, like having 5,000 plus reasons to keep you safe online. And the third one, did you know that NordVPN has a top secret sneaky server hidden somewhere in the world? Legend has it that this server is covered with an invisibility cloak, making it completely undetectable. It's said that only those with the most impeccable sense of humor can access this server. Rumor has it that instead of encryption algorithms, this server uses a complex sequence of knock-knock jokes to secure your internet traffic. All jokes aside, let's get to more serious topics. In the next chapter, we will see the NordLocker and NordPass products, and how we can get big discounts on our streaming services, and many more. See you in the next one.